Facebook ad library is very, very amazing because there's a whole lot of things that you can actually do with it. Now, imagine you coming to the Facebook ad library and you're just going to come here now and you're going to see all this amazing information. Now, just come here now, put this to Nigeria, then come here now, put this to all, and then you can type in what you want to see. So are you interested in, you want to sell shoes, you want to sell cameras, you want to sell, or do you know the name of the competitor? You can see all the ads that they are running on this platform. It is a very, very amazing tool to use. So let's say, for example, now Jumia is my competitor, right? And I want to see all the ads that Jumia is running right now on the Facebook ad library. I'm just going to come here and type in this, and then I'm going to click on this, and then it's going to open up like this. Now, once it opens up, I can see everything, all the ads that Jumia is running on Facebook, right? If I scroll down now, look at it, I can see every single ad that they're running. So right now, at the time I'm recording this video, they're running a lot of Black Friday offers, right? And they're doing different ads for Black Friday at Jumia. So you get to see all the different types of ads that they're running. Now, the good thing about this ad library is the fact that you can look at the ad creative, you can look at the ad creative, you can look at the ad copy, you can even see what is the call to action on each ad. So you are able to make a decision and know how you can also set up your own ads, right? The sweet thing about this now is another thing, again, another set of amazing tools you get to see when talking about digital marketing is the tools from Google. How many of us knew that if you come to your Google search like this, and you come to this point where you see these Google apps, if you click on these Google apps, there are so many other tools that you can use to do amazing things when it comes to this. Now, if you come here now, you can see this is Google Drive, this is the Google Business Profile, this is the, but this is not what really interests me. If you scroll down here, you're going to see more from Google. Now, just click on more from Google. Once you click on this more from Google, you're going to see a lot of apps, right? So many apps, all owned by Google. And there's a whole lot of things that you can actually do with them. Let's scroll down and let us take a look at them, right? So you just come down here and you see that there are so many products that are owned by Google, right? So look at this. You're going to see that there are so many products owned by Google. Look at this. We have the Chrome, the Gemini, the Docs, and every other thing, right? But if you scroll down even more, you're going to see the ones that are meant for business, right? Meant for business.